In the heart of Kitty City, excitement buzzes in the air. Balloons float seductively against a sky blue ceiling, catnip treats rain temptation, and a room is brimming with furry guests. As chiming bells signal the arrival of the star of the event, the Catizens hush in awe. The stage is led by an unorthodox host, an AI, programmed with the quirkiest sense of humor and a peculiar accent that's equal parts purr, poise, and panache. Happy birthday, Whisker Jr., she announces, her synthetic voice ringing through the pandemonium. Emotions run high as the crowd offers purring ovations. Amidst rainfall of holographic fish and feather, Whisker Jr. himself steps onto the stage. His words resonate in an AI translated verse, a tribute to Whisker wisdom and nine-lived resilience. As Whisker's narration ends, the air hangs heavy with emotion, everyone eagerly waiting for the cake.